What's up, everybody? Welcome back to
everybody,
our
right.
channel. Say hey, CJ.
Hi. This is Mommy and Kason.
And who is that?
CJ.
All right.
And
So, by the way, Happy New Year. It is January
Watch
the
my
2nd.
video.
Okay, we're going to tell them that it again. What are we doing
Hey.
today? What are we finna do?
Making brownies.
Yes, we finna make some brownies. So, we just wanted to invite you all to see how we make our delicious brownies. Hold on. So, I'm gonna add my thing and so we get posted up. So, yeah, it is January the 2nd and
It's January 2nd.
and we're basically trying to pop out this vlog with some family time in the kitchen. Bay had to go put up 2 TVs this morning,
And Grandma goes.
and then he had one again at 1. He's late to that one, and then he has some more stuff to do later on this evening, so you all probably won't catch him in the cam until later on. What's that? Oh, okay. So yeah, we finna hop on these brownies. First, we finna wash our hands.
I already washed my hands.
What, we gonna wash them again? Come on.
Wait, CJ didn't wash his hands.
Come on, wash your hands, creepy. Alright, you guys, these are the brownies that we're going to bake on today. We absolutely love. Milk chocolate brownie mix.
Hey.
And so, okay, crew. Huh?
Mommy.
We're going to post you all up here so you can basically see.
I can't see.
I can see you.
Uh-uh.
So it's saying we need 3 tablespoons of water, a half a cup of vegetable oils, and 2 eggs. Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right. So
I found one.
I don't know who just hit me. All right. So we gotta get our mixing bowl.
Mixing bowl and some eggs.
Don't drop the eggs, Cree. Do you need me to help you? I'm gonna help you because there's other stuff that's on top of the eggs, and I'm sure.
These help.
I probably should have did a pre-prep. Ooh, bless you.
I did that.
All right, come on. Got it.
Yep.
See.
I'm gonna get it.
I'm gonna let you get the water. Get it.
Why can't I got that? No, Mommy, no, he got both.
Casey, you gonna help us out?
Yeah.
Okay, we don't want your little drink.
No. Yeah.
Okay, wait. So we got our eggs, we got our vegetable oil, and we got our water. So
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me.
so we put them in a pan.
No, CJ, don't touch it.
Don't touch it, CJ. So we got
Don't
another pan.
Stop. Eat.
Don't they look good?
Yep.
All right, don't touch it. Don't touch it. They so bad. They so bad. Why they so bad? All right, so let's put them in the oven.
Put it in the pan
And
get done. They get done.
we gotta put them in the oven for 25 minutes, I think that's. So it should be done at 1:58.
What?
It is now 1:33, so we will see you all back in a second.
Can we just
3 hours later.
Smell.
It's red.
It's red.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Just a little bit.
That's so.
Good.
It's so good. There's no need to carry on out this video because there's nothing else we're gonna get ready to do. And we will see you all on tomorrow. You all have a safe Saturday. Remember, if you go out, please wear your mask. Please be safe because COVID-19 is real. It's nothing to play with. And that is personally coming from a person that work in the healthcare field. So see you all tomorrow. Bye.